what's up mga ka-beauties? Welcome to today's video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Leigh on Leigh OnStyle. So for today's video, we're gonna make a review. I received a product from iMethodBeauty. They released a cream blush. I think it's a cream blush that they sent it to me and they want me to give it a try. So might as well, I'll share it with you guys para pag gusto nyo i-try and makikita natin yung result kung maganda ba siya, kung perfect ba siya for all skin type. Okay? Without further ado, let's get started. So, okay, ito yung kanilang package na sinend sa akin. So, inside of this package is, wala lang. So, ito yung cream blush. Ayan. So, may plastic pa siya. Buksan natin. So, this cream blush, you can find it at Amazon. I will put the link on my description box so you can check it out later after this video. So this is a cream blush sticks. You can use it on cheeks, lips, and cheek makeup. Yun sabi dito. So this cream blush is 100% cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. This is never tested on animals. So maganda ang kanilang mga products because it's cruelty-free. So when we know it said cruelty-free, maganda siya talaga kasi animal-friendly. Something like that. Magkakaalam ko. Okay, buksan na natin ang package. Medyo napapaos pa ako. Ang ganda ng packaging na. It's like a can. So, one stick lang ang laman niya sa loob. So, I don't know what shade they sent me, no? So, meron na siyang maliit na paper na ganito. This includes, about this blush stick. A little tips for you to read. And, of course, the social media account, Instagram, Messenger, email, and of course TikTok. You can find them, so you can check them out. Ayan, so let's go back to this blush. This is shade number 3. So if you go on the website, they have 4 colors that they release for this blush stick. So they have sheer red, matte nude pink, matte rose nude, and peachy coral red. So I'm not sure what shade they sent me, but it's number 3. Ayan, but I believe this is, it has a brush. Wow. I'm surprised. So, so parang this is like in coral. Maybe this is the peachy coral red. So, ganyan siya. Let's swatch it. Oh, wow. It's very blendable. Maganda ang kanyang consistency. Ayan. Pigmented too kasi kahit konti makulay siya. Maganda ang kanyang kulay. So let's try this one. Kaya hindi ako nag-blush para makita natin yung result. Ay, ipit tayo. Ayan. So I really don't use this kind of like, mas gusto ko sponge, but we'll see. Let's do some dot over there. Ayan. So, let's try with the sponge first. And then, we're gonna try the brush on the other side. Oh, ganda. Ang kanyang kulay. Bagay sa akin yung kulay. Actually, ito yung mga kulay na talagang to go ko kasi ayoko na masyadong dark. Parang sa coral to nude color. Yan mga gusto ko. Maganda siya. Lagyan na ng konti dito. Para Korean. Korean. So, very light lang yung shade niya. This is I believe nga, this is the peach coral red. So, tama-tama yung pinada. Parang alam na alam nila yung kulay na gusto ko, no? So, on this side, we're gonna use the brush. Matigas yung brush niya. Hindi ko gusto. Actually, the brush is not really soft. So, I'm not really happy about the brush. So, parang hindi ko siya ma-blend ng ayos sa brush. Hindi ko alam. Yun na talaga siya. Okay. Mag-blend na lang ulit tayo using the sponge. I think this is much better. So I can blend easily. It's very blendable. It's just the brush is not soft. Masakit sa pisngi. Hindi siya friendly. But anyway, you can use your fingertips too because, you know, pag naman mga ganitong stick, pwede. So you can use this also on your eyelid to serve as your eyeshadow. So ayan, maganda. Actually, I have a powder already. So you can see that it blends with the powder. So magpa-powder pa ako on top. So tingnan natin kung para malaman natin if magki-cakey siya. So I'm gonna use my Milani powder. Paubos na. Ayan. So pag nilagyan siya over powder, medyo nalalighten yung shade niya, no? But at least it's blendable with powder. I like that. Kasi yung ibang cream blush, it becomes cakey after you put a powder on top. Or pag nag-powder na kayo, tapos ilalagay niyo yung blush. Yung cream blush, hindi maganda. Parang nahihila yung powder. But this one, it really blend nicely. You see? Ayan. So what I will do is I gonna put more using this brush. So this is what I use on my cream blush. Ayan. So kitang-kita na siya ngayon. Ayan. So this retail guys for $22. They have a special coupon that you can use on their website. So I'm gonna put the link on my description box para ma-check nyo siya. So this is how it look like guys when you wear this cream blush. It's really blendable and I don't get hard time and it's not sticky. It blends easily with over powder. It's good. So even without powder, bare skin, you can use this one. And this is friendly for all ages. I think I'm on my 40s, so it's still good. So baguettes, mature skin, this is really good. So I like it. Actually, the only downside that I'm not happy about is the brush. So the brush is not soft when it touches your cheeks. So yun lang yung hindi ko masyadong gusto. Or maybe you can use this just to tap. But ako personally, I don't like it. But the blush itself, kung ito lang, I can highly recommend the blush stick because this is really nice. And I got the nice color. So I wish I can try more of the other color kasi nowadays I like to use cream blush kasi for my age it's nice to have a glow on your face. Before I really like a matte but now I'm starting to kind of like a glowy skin. So kahit na medyo nagmamanta ka ng konti, okay lang. Just make sure na yung T-zone ko, yun lang yung pinofocus ko when it comes to controlling the oil. So but here outside of the perimeter of my face, okay lang yung medyo parang glowy, ganyan. Or how do you call it? Dewy look ng konti. Ayan. So, I hope you will check this out, guys. This is the iMethod blush stick. This is really good on-the-go blush, travel-friendly, and good for any skin type. So, check this out, guys. iMethod blush stick. Ayan. So, I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And kindly hit the notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!